Welcome to FindRVParks.com, your one-stop web app to find, filter, and research RV parks to visit. Let's go to the map. Here you can click on clusters of RV parks or use the mouse wheel to zoom in. Red markers are the RV parks, and when you mouse over, you can see its info, including rating. In the search box, you can enter a park, city, state, zip, or other geographical location, like New York City or the Manhattan zip code. You can enter national parks, like Yellowstone, and then find RV parks in and around it. You can even search for locations that aren't in our database. For those, it will look them up. Let's go to Westlake Hills, Texas, where we can find Emma Long Metropolitan Park. Click on the marker and you will see info about that site. Don't worry, it's real fast to get back to where you were. And then the last park you visited will be shown in blue. Back on the info page, you can see stuff like address, phone number, website, as well as amenities like 50 amp, allows pets, has Wi-Fi, etc. Click on the Reviews tab and you will see the Google and Yelp reviews with ratings and links. Click here to go to Google and down here to go to Yelp. We also have photos. On the Photos tab, you can use the mouse wheel here to navigate to next or previous photos, or click the arrows or swipe left or right. You can also click the buttons on the bottom. They can be viewed full screen. The final tab has YouTube videos. These are all links to YouTube videos about Emma Long Metropolitan Park. If you think you want to come back to this site, click on the heart to add it to your favorites. Then you can access it anytime from the favorites menu above. You can also change the theme dark or go full screen. You can click back to map as before or click locate on a map to zoom in and change the map type to satellite. You can change the map type with the links in the upper left of the map. Click filter to bring up the filter controls. Let's filter on 4.5 minimum rating, has 50 amp service, has sewer, allows pets, has Wi-Fi. There are more filters below. Notice the previous site marker is no longer being shown since it did not meet the criteria I set. If we click full map, notice there aren't as many sites shown, and you can clear the filters here. Also notice you can go back to previous locations by selecting them from the search box. Last tip, you can use the back button to get to previous states of the app. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy using the site. There's plenty more to come. Thanks.